Hello.
Now, what in tarnation are you doing here?
I'm a chicken.
A chicken? I didn't know chickens existed around here.
They do.
Well, I know Colonel Sanders. Do you know him?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. He killed your family and I ate them. And they were delicious. Just ask my buddy John Wayne Gacy. He got a whole bucket of fried chicken.
I don't care.
What in the world was that?
You know what it is? It's a black pumpkin.
just like your wife said last night. Oh. That will teabag me.
Oh, stop it. A spider. It's a spider.
Good. I like spiders. I eat them.
I don't care you eat spiders.
Eat you nuts.
Oh no, fine. No, fine. Eat the spider then. Eat it.
Oh, my sexy baby. That'll be alright.
What are you doing?
I'm petting it. I have to pet my food before I eat it.
No, you don't.
So it's not scared.
Yes, it is.
No.
Eat my black pumpkin.
Well, I have a black one down there, but I don't know about the pumpkin.
Stop saying that. No, come here. Come here.
No, I'm good. I'll have you all sit right here.
I'll just be on the grass.
What for?
I mean grass, I'm a chicken. I'm supposed to eat grass.
I don't care.
Come here.
No.
Yes.
You're gonna rape me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Well, I found a cat, so I'm standing here with him.
Yeah.
That was gay.
It's a black pumpkin. Eat it.
No.
It's black.
I like red pumpkins.
It's not red. It's orange. Kitty cat.
Haha. I scared your cat. It is red.
A leaf.
What was that?
It's a leaf. It's fall time.
Well, I like blue pumpkins.
Well, it's too bad.
Well, guess what? It's not bad. I have one right here.
It's blue. That's stupid.
It's my slurp pumpkin from Fortnite.
It's just blue. That's all it is.
So
Close up.
Back away. Back away. Don't you get back.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Get away. Get away.
No. You're going to break the pumpkins.
Pull the gun on you.
Do not break those pumpkins, please.
It's a pumpkin gun. I just pulled a pumpkin gun on you.
I don't care. Stop it.
Come on, pumpkin guy. What you gonna do with that?
Fine, I'm out here. See you next time.
Get in my face, boy. I'm not doing pumpkin. I'm not doing pumpkin.
See you next time.